Germany's favourite soap opera takes a new twist. Britain has EastEnders, and Australia has Neighbours and Home and Away. Germany's favourite soap opera, however, is the long-running back and forth between Volkswagen and Porsche. The latest episode, which emerged this week, is that VW wants to sell a bit of Porsche by means of an IPO. To see why this is quite funny, wind the clock back well over a decade. Back then, German corporate titan and Porsche family member Ferdinand Piëch was both chairman of VW and a significant shareholder in Porsche. Porsche's holding company started to build a stake in VW with a view to taking control, but owing to a series of unfortunate events, it ended up over-leveraging itself to such an extent that it had to surrender control of the Porsche brand to VW. All clear so far? If not, don't worry. The main thing to bear in mind is there's a long and vexing history of tensions between the various members of the Porsche family, the Porsche corporate entity, and VW over what the various bits of their empire are worth. And this week's news may mean that comes back into the spotlight. The chatter is that VW may try to sell a 25% chunk of Porsche to raise money for its pivot to electric vehicles at a mooted valuation of 100 billion euros. Given that's more than VW's own market value, that seems a bit toppy, especially as HSBC analysts think it could be worth less than half that figure. Either way, the car maker's spicy internecine history implies that Germans have another slice of Mittel-European melodrama to look forward to.